Hello guys, welcome to TenorShare. iOS 18 beta is coming soon along, WWDC 2024. We've acquired a lot of rumors about iOS 18 beta already, and I know you can't wait to update to iOS 18 beta. So first, let's see what we need to do to prepare before updating. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Tip 1 we need to do is to back up our data. iOS 18 beta is not as stable as iOS 18 official version, so it's important for us to back up the data ahead of time. You can back up your iPhone data to iCloud. Go to Settings and tap on Apple ID. Choose iCloud. iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now. If you don't have enough space in iCloud, you can back up in iTunes. Launch iTunes or Finder on your PC or Mac and connect your iPhone. Click Backup Now option and wait for the process finished. It could take a long time. And another thing I have to mention about is iTunes will back up the data to the C drive on your computer as a default, which normally is your system drive. If you don't want to fill up your C drive with iPhone backups, I recommend you to try iCareFone. iCareFone is the iPhone data management tool that can back up iPhone data in any location on your computer. It can detect and recognize iTunes backup in the computer, as well as transferring and restoring your iPhone data. You can download from the link in description. Once installed iCareFone, connect your iPhone to PC or Mac. Then, click Backup Records. Customize the data you want to back up, such as contact, photos, and videos. Click Edit and select the path to save data. Please be sure the storage is enough for iPhone backup. Finally, click Backup. Now iCareFone starts to back up your iPhone data. It will take a few minutes if you have a lot of backup on your iPhone. After backing up the data, you can also click View Backup to check your backup on the computer. If you want to restore backup, click Restore to Device option. It's really simple. Now, let's go to Tip 2. Tip 2. Ensure enough iPhone storage. To check storage, go to Settings in General and tap iPhone Storage. I recommend you leave 10 GB to download iOS 18 beta. You can try to delete apps that you rarely use. Tip 3. Ensure your iPhone is fully charged. I highly recommend that charge iPhone during updating. If you are not available to charge iPhone, a battery is 60% or more is a safer range to update iOS 18 beta. This prevents you from running out of power during the update process and crashing the system. Tip 4. Ensure Wi-Fi connection is strong and stable. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal can cause the download to be interrupted, and you need to start over. Tip 5. Early access to update iOS 18 beta. If you own the developer account of iOS 17 beta, you can access the portal of update iOS 18 beta. What's more, I have enrolled the developer project. I will upload a video of how to install iOS 18 beta in official way and unofficial way for you after WWDC 2024. Okay, this is all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to us. See you guys in the next video.